This video tutorial will demonstrate how to use the Scrum preview to monitor the Scrum workflow in Empire Suite. Scrum is an iterative and incremental agile software development framework for managing product development. Scrum workflows are visual progressions of processes required to complete a specific activity. They are labeled under a specific sprint. Our Scrum Previews feature will allow you to view important aspects of the workflow, such as ownership and deadlines at a glance. To use the Scrum Preview feature, log into your account. Go to the Project main menu. Select a project from the View Preview. You will see the project listed in the main project dashboard. On the left-hand side, select Activity submenu. Select your workflow and sprint view from the drop-down menu. The activity dashboard will reflect to show the updated Scrum workflow accordingly. Select varying toggle views, List and Board. The List view shows activities in a numbered item view. The Detail view shows activities based on priority. The In-Process Activity view shows activities based on which items are currently being worked on. The Workflow view shows activities in various process steps. Users can also search for specific activities by selecting the ones due today. Tracking ID, who is assigned to the activity, subject, or comment. Type in your values and click Search to locate the activity. Or click Clear to clear these values. Users can edit the activity by clicking on the activity name. Users can also change the priority using the drop-down menu. This will influence the location of the activity on the Scrum board. Make your changes and click Save. On the Scrum board, you will see the activity in various stages. To change the activity steps, simply drag the activity name into the corresponding cell. Users can forward the activity to another user in the system by selecting the Forward command in the Activity menu. Select your assigned users and add the comment. Click Save to save these changes, then click Close. Email the activity to a user by selecting the Email command from the Activity menu. Enter the email recipient information and click Save. Users can also add a comment from the Activity menu. They can also attach a document to the activity. Complete it and forward it. Users can time how long it takes them to complete an activity by selecting the Start a Timer icon. Users can also post time against an activity by selecting the Enter Time icon. Click Close to exit out of this window. To access the Scrum preview, select the eye icon in the Activities section. The Scrum preview will pop up in the same screen. Users will be able to see activity details such as the activity history, activity owner information, custom fields, etc. The activity history shows who's managing the activity at any given point in time. The breadcrumb navigation at the top of the screen shows where the activity is relative to its completion. Users can also edit the activity steps by clicking on specific breadcrumbs. For example, the current activity is in the shoe process. If the user clicks on the Done breadcrumb, the activity will move to the Done stage. Users can also use the Activity menu on the upper right-hand corner. To exit the Scrum Preview feature, click the X icon. This concludes the tutorial on how to use the Scrum Preview feature in Empire Suite.